Welcome back. Today we are going to explore a powerful idea that has the potential to transform your life in ways you might not expect. Many people dream of success. They imagine achieving big goals, living a better life, becoming more confident, and reaching their full potential. These dreams are exciting and inspiring. However, there is one important truth that most people overlook. Real success rarely comes from one big moment. It does not appear suddenly after one powerful decision or one burst of motivation. Instead, real success grows slowly and quietly through small daily actions. The tiny choices you make every day slowly shape the direction of your life. Over time, those small choices become habits, and those habits become the foundation of your future. Many people believe that in order to change their life, they must make dramatic changes immediately. They tell themselves that starting tomorrow they will wake up early, work harder, exercise every day, read more books, and completely transform their routine. At first, these big plans feel exciting. They create a strong sense of motivation and hope. But after a few days, reality begins to appear. The new routine feels difficult. The effort feels exhausting. Slowly the excitement fades, and the old habits return. This is not because people are weak or lazy. It happens because big changes create big pressure. When the brain feels overwhelmed, it naturally searches for comfort and familiarity. This is why many ambitious plans fail after only a short time. Small steps work differently. Instead of creating pressure, small actions feel manageable. When a task feels simple and realistic, the mind does not resist it. For example, reading an entire book may feel overwhelming after a long day, but reading 5 pages feels possible. Exercising for 1 hour may feel exhausting, but exercising for 10 minutes feels achievable. Learning a new skill may seem intimidating, but practicing for 15 minutes feels reasonable. These small actions may look unimportant in the moment, but when they are repeated every day, they begin to create powerful change. The secret is not the size of the action, but the consistency behind it. One of the most powerful reasons small habits work is because they are easy to repeat. Repetition is the foundation of improvement. Every time you repeat an action, your brain becomes a little more comfortable with it. What once felt difficult slowly begins to feel natural. Over time, the action becomes a habit. When something becomes a habit, it requires less mental effort. You no longer struggle to start because the behavior has become part of your routine. This is how small daily habits slowly transform your life. Improvement does not happen overnight, but each small step moves you slightly forward. With enough time, those small steps create significant progress. Another powerful benefit of small habits is that they build confidence. Many people struggle with self-doubt. They question their abilities and worry about failing. This fear often stops them from taking action. But when you start with small tasks, the pressure disappears. Completing a small task creates a sense of accomplishment. Even a simple achievement sends a positive message to your mind. It tells you that you are capable of making progress. When you repeat this experience regularly, your belief in yourself begins to grow. Confidence does not appear suddenly. It develops gradually through repeated proof that you can follow through on your intentions. Consider someone who wants to improve their knowledge by reading more books. If they set a goal of reading for 3 hours every day, the task may quickly become overwhelming. However, if they start with a simple goal of reading 10 pages per day, the task becomes manageable. 10 pages may not seem significant at first, but over time those pages accumulate. In 1 month, that person may finish several books. In 1 year, they may read dozens of books. The knowledge gained from this habit can dramatically influence their thinking, decision-making, and understanding of the world. What began as a small daily action slowly becomes a powerful source of growth. The same principle applies to physical health. Many people believe they must follow extreme workout routines to improve their fitness. They imagine spending hours at the gym and pushing their bodies to exhaustion. While intense training can be effective, it is often difficult to maintain for long periods. A simple habit such as walking for 20 minutes every day may not look impressive, but consistency creates results. Over time, regular movement improves energy levels, strengthens the body, and supports long-term health. The transformation may happen slowly, but the benefits become undeniable with patience and persistence. Small habits also influence the way we think. When we consistently engage in positive behaviors, our mindset begins to change. For example, someone who spends a few minutes each day reflecting on their goals develops a clearer sense of direction. Someone who practices gratitude daily begins to notice the positive aspects of life more easily. These small mental habits shape our perspective. Our perspective shapes our actions, and our actions shape our results. In this way, tiny daily behaviors influence not only what we do but also how we see ourselves and the world around us. Another powerful concept behind small habits is the idea of gradual progress. Progress is rarely dramatic in the beginning. Often it is almost invisible. When someone practices a new skill, improvement may feel slow. The effort may seem repetitive, and the results may appear small. This stage can be discouraging because the brain naturally expects quick rewards. However, growth often happens beneath the surface before it becomes visible. Just like a seed planted in the soil, development takes time. For many days, nothing appears to change above the ground. But beneath the surface, roots are growing and preparing for future growth. Eventually, the plant emerges and begins to flourish. Personal growth follows the same pattern. The compound effect explains why small habits become so powerful over time. The compound effect means that small actions repeated consistently create results that multiply over time. Imagine saving a small amount of money every day. At first, the amount may seem insignificant. However, as days turn into months and months turn into years, the savings grow steadily. What once seemed small becomes meaningful. Habits work in exactly the same way. Reading a few pages, practicing a skill, exercising briefly, or learning something new each day may not feel life-changing at first. But when these actions continue for months or years, they create remarkable transformation. Unfortunately, many people give up before the compound effect has time to work. They begin with enthusiasm, but when results do not appear quickly, they lose motivation. This is a common mistake. Growth requires patience. The early stage of any habit often feels slow and unrewarding. However, persistence during this stage is what separates successful individuals from those who quit early. The people who achieve long-term success are not necessarily the most talented or the most intelligent. They are often the ones who simply continue showing up day after day, even when progress feels slow. Another important benefit of small habits is that they reduce fear. When a goal feels too large, the possibility of failure becomes intimidating. This fear often leads to procrastination. However, when a task is small, the risk feels manageable. If a mistake happens, it becomes an opportunity to learn rather than a reason to quit. This mindset encourages experimentation and improvement. Each attempt provides valuable feedback, allowing you to adjust and grow stronger over time. The journey becomes less about perfection and more about progress. Small habits also create momentum. Momentum is a powerful force that makes it easier to continue moving forward. When you complete one small task, you experience a sense of progress. That progress increases motivation. Motivation encourages further action. As actions accumulate, your energy and focus begin to grow. What once required effort gradually becomes part of your natural routine. This momentum makes it easier to maintain positive habits and avoid falling back into old patterns. Over time, small habits shape your identity. Identity is the way you see yourself. When you repeat positive actions regularly, you begin to view yourself differently. Someone who reads daily begins to see themselves as a learner. Someone who exercises consistently begins to see themselves as a healthy person. Someone who practices a skill regularly begins to see themselves as capable and disciplined. This shift in identity is extremely powerful because our behavior often follows our beliefs. When you believe you are the type of person who improves every day, your actions naturally support that belief. It is also important to understand that success is not about perfection. No one follows their routine perfectly every day. There will be days when you feel tired, distracted, or unmotivated. What matters is not perfection but persistence. Missing one day is not failure. The real problem occurs when one missed day turns into many missed days. The goal is to return to the habit as quickly as possible. Consistency over the long term is far more important than occasional bursts of intense effort. When you look at successful people, it may appear that their achievements happened suddenly. From the outside, success often looks like an overnight event. However, behind every visible achievement are countless small actions repeated over many years. Every skill developed, every opportunity created, and every goal achieved was built on a foundation of daily effort. The world may notice the final result, but the real story is the quiet work that happened long before anyone was paying attention. The beauty of small habits is that anyone can start them. You do not need special resources, perfect conditions, or extraordinary talent. All you need is the willingness to take one small step today. That step may be simple, but it begins the process of change. Tomorrow you repeat the step again. With time, those steps form a path that leads toward growth and achievement. Your future is not determined by one dramatic moment. It is shaped by the small actions you choose to repeat every day. Each habit you build becomes a building block for the life you want to create. When you choose positive habits, you move closer to your goals. When you neglect those habits, progress slows down. The power to shape your future exists in the simple decisions you make daily. So remember this powerful idea. Big success does not begin with big actions. It begins with small steps taken consistently over time. A few pages read today can lead to knowledge tomorrow. A short practice session today can lead to mastery in the future. A brief moment of discipline today can build a lifetime of success. Small habits may seem ordinary, but when combined with patience and consistency, they have the power to change your life in extraordinary ways. Start small, stay consistent, and trust that each step forward is bringing you closer to the future you want to build. The most important step in this journey is simply to begin. Many people spend too much time waiting for the perfect moment. They believe they will start when they feel more motivated, when life becomes less busy, or when the conditions are ideal. But the truth is that perfect conditions rarely exist. Life will always have responsibilities, distractions, and unexpected challenges. If you wait for everything to be perfect, you may never start at all. Progress begins the moment you decide to take action, even if that action is very small. Imagine the difference between someone who waits for motivation and someone who simply starts with a small habit. One person keeps planning, thinking, and waiting. The other reads one page, practices for 10 minutes, or learns one new idea every day. At first, the difference seems tiny, almost invisible. But as days turn into months and months turn into years, that small daily effort grows into something powerful. Knowledge increases, skills improve, confidence becomes stronger, and opportunities begin to appear. This is the quiet power of small steps. They may not look impressive in the beginning, but over time they shape your future. Start today with one simple action, repeat it tomorrow, and let those small steps guide you toward a stronger, wiser, and more successful life. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.